Let me tell you something, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Sergio Jean, both of you, You know, Best Pills, I am saying to you, you know what? Why are you posting naked videos while you're taking a bath in the bathroom, in your Facebook page, Best Pills Network, even in the Telegram? Why did you do that, Best Pills? Arnel Castillo, do you know that Ekong Gonzaga was very angry at you? Do you know people are angry at you? Remember, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Last midnight, I talked with Tera Francisco via Zoom meeting. And we discussed about Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You know Arnel Castillo, aka Best Pills. You know, it's really embarrassing. It's really shameless. I never call you a word an asshole word because it's really censor. Oh. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed. What is feel ashamed? In Shia Islam, that's called it haram. That is called shame. In the word, what is a shameful? Oh, shameful is very embarrassing and very incompetent. You should be ashamed of yourself, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo, you know what is shame? Shameless. Oh, you know you're not very. What a kind of person are you? I say to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Look at Mang Rodelio Daguman. Oh, he never posts a scandal anymore. He apologized for his mistake that he felt ashamed of himself last 2020. He realized his mistake. Oh, he will never do that Jim Paredes style. You Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, why did you do that in public while you're taking a bath? You know you're making a scandal again, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You know, I told to Tera Francisco, I say to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, why did you do that? Don't you know there was in the kind of law here in the Philippines, we have Anti-Video and Voyeurism Act of 2009. Oh, that is a cybercrime, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. And another one, that you harass Shania Kiana, that is Anti-Safe Space Act. Oh, you don't know about the law, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo? You check in the Wikipedia, what is a Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012? What is Anti-Photos and Videos and Voyeurism Act? Oh, that is 2009. Even the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, that was a cybercrime. You know what, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo? I say to you in Filipino, marami kang atraso kay Shania Kiana. Marami kang atraso kay Ate Mel Canete. You know, you have lots of consequence for what you just did to Shania Kiana and Ate Mel Canete. If you attempt to add Jens Manaid's family member in your stupid group chat, I say to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you should never invite Jens Manaid's family members. I know Jens is my friend. I treat him as my brother. Oh, as my second brother, Jens Manaid. If you add Jens Manaid's family member, even his father, even his mother, even his sister, even his eldest brother, Allen Manaid, that was his name, Kuya Allen, do not add them in your stupid group chat because of what you're doing, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You know, you should never add anyone. Why did you add, for example, Kuya Jojo Makalintal and Ate Sol Gabag, oh, Mirsol Gabag, that was Ninang Bebe, oh. Why did you add them? If you attempt to add my Ninong, oh, Michael Makalintal, oh, Kuya Michael Makalintal, oh, Ninong Michael, oh, do not add him. Do not add anyone. Do not add them, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo, do not add. And you remember, do not add anyone. I mean, like me, as my suggestion to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, do not add anyone in your stupid group chat. And even Ate Mirasol Siaco or Paulo Siaco, do not add them in group chat. Do not add Kuya J. Do not add Ate Hana. Do not add Ate Isa. Oh. Do not add Tatay Arnold in the group chat. Oh. I am warning you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Even do not add Kuya Mel in a group chat. Oh, he doesn't like group chat. Oh. Do not add do not add Ate Rona o Ate Melcanete in the group chat. Oh, do not add them, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo, you know, if you attempt to add Ate Rona, I say to you, you will get in trouble. You remember Ate Rona o Rona Lucena o do not add anyone in group chat, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo, even you, Asejo Jin, you have to stop what you're doing. That's all I could say.